Today we're gonna make this refreshing, healthy, and beautiful salad, beet and citrus. To get started on making our beet and citrus salad, perfect for the summer, we have 3 cooked beets diced. And you can buy these. Beets are, kind of a pain to clean and boil yourself, but you can buy them at the store, already cooked, and then that will save you some time. So then we have 1 grapefruit, segmented. We have 2 oranges, segmented there. Nice and refreshing salad. 1/4 cup of pistachio. And if you have allergies at home, like I do, I always tell you that. You can obviously omit that. 1/4 cup of crumbled goat cheese. And then we have some fresh mint. Just chop that up. It's about 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna mix this up, and then we're gonna make our dressing. Look how easy that is. Bright, refreshing colors, perfect for the summer, nice and healthy. And now for our dressing, we're gonna use olive oil and balsamic vinegar. So here we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And this is from 776. Click the link below, visit my Amazon store so you guys can purchase this at home. 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. We're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna whisk this together. Pour that on top. Again, nice little toss. Look at that beautiful salad. We're gonna garnish this with some fresh mint, and this salad is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, and follow my Instagram and my Amazon store for great entertaining tips. I'm gonna dig in.